All right, we are here with a pluggable Wi-Fi adapter. This only works with a 2.4 Wi-Fi. So if you have 5, it won't work. So make sure you be sure of that. But this is a nice little feature because if your Wi-Fi has went out, you can use this to replace your Wi-Fi adapter. Really nice and quick. And also if your laptop, if you have one of those older ones that don't even have Wi-Fi, this will give you the Wi-Fi capability. Now we're going to open this and show you how easy it is. Now if your laptop has the Wi-Fi, you can disable the Wi-Fi adapter and you make sure that it uses this. So we're going to test this out. We're going to open this up and let's see how it works. Stay tuned. All right, we're back. We opened it up. We have the adapter here, and it came with a nice little user manual, quick start guide that kind of telling you how it works here. Really, like I say, it only works with the Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz. If you have a 5 gigahertz, that is backward compatible and it will still work. But basically, you just stick the plug into your USB, and we're going to do that and show you that now. Okay, I'm back. I've turned off the Wi-Fi on the laptop. Now I'm going to insert this right here into the USB port here. Make sure I got it right. There we go. And you can hear that sound goes off here. You can see that I installed it here. It's getting a signal. Like I say, what you want to do is disable the Wi-Fi card if you already have one, and then plug this in. It's plug and play. If it's Windows 11, the drivers are already installed. It's working great. But guys, it's a great option. But remember, it's only 2.4. If 5 gig, it is backward compatible, but you're only going to get that 2.4. But give it a shot here. You can see it's flashing there. It's receiving a signal, working very good. So give it a shot.